Hey everybody, we're back at it again. Getting going on Henryetta here. Kristy's gonna finish grinding some of her spot welds here in the trunk. Then she's gonna play with the shims. We're gonna adjust all the shims. See if we can get the door to try to fit on this side a little better. We got the driver's side fitting pretty nice. This side, yeah, don't like it. Not quite. Get it to fit nice in some places, and then line's just not right on it. So Kristy's gonna play with all the shims on all the body mounts, see if we can get everything shimmed around, see where that takes us, see what happens from there. Catch back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so Kristy pretty much spent the day yesterday just in body mounts, trying to get everything to adjust, get everything to fit the way we like it. Just not happy with this side of the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to slice the rocker out of the B-pillar, I'm going to slice the floor, I'm going to see if I can jack the car apart and up and around, and see if I can get it jacked around to where I like the way this door fits against the quarter. And then we'll try to weld it all back up again, see if we can get it to stay there.
Ta-da! She fits much better after a little bit of surgery.
Alright, so got to make our 4.5 inch filler piece for the dash. Gonna set up and make a template of this piece of cardboard here. See if we can get us a filler piece made. Alright, so we got our template cut out. We got the dash kind of sitting in here. Got the piece up here. I don't think Kristy liked my idea of let's just fiberglass in the cardboard. Make a nice little filler.
No.
Picky, she wants metal back in there. So I suppose we'll use that for a template and cut us out some sheet metal and build us a filler. Alright, got this piece of sheet metal cut out for this. Got our template clamped to it. Gonna get it all traced up. We'll cut this guy out. Add a little bit of crown to it. We'll set it in and we'll see how everything fits up. Alright, as we've been watching, we got the dash insert cut out. Did a little bit of shrinking on it, a little bit of hammering. Got us a little rough fit in there. But that's a whole lot different now. This thing actually has a dashboard in it. Instead of just being a little skinny 2-inch strip by the windshield, but a little more massaging, build some tabs, do a little trimming. We'll start welding this whole thing together. Starting to come together, slowly but surely. Alright, so got this side of the car fitting better. Got everything, moved the B-pillar back a little bit, cut the rocker through the floor, moved everything around, got everything fitting a whole lot nicer the way we like it over here. Got an insert roughed out for the dash, got the filler going there. Kristy's been going crazy in here, scraping all the old seam sealer out. Got everything scraped out, be ready for some new seam sealer and seal up. Car's making some progress, but that's all the time we got for this weekend. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll catch you guys next weekend.
Bye.